Hi, welcome to Pattaya, Thailand. We are at the laundromat right now. This is the coin laundry orange laundromat. So out here is the Soi Bù Khảo. Go the other way is Soi Bù Khảo market, like about a few minutes that way. And along here they got all kind of hotel, guest houses, everything here. So. And then along here they got Soi Bù Khảo, really famous, number 3 road. Down there they have all the hotel, guest house, everything here. So on this side they got all the bars, clubs like that. And along you see like they have tuk-tuk running around all day, like every few minutes. So they have restaurant everywhere. Check out the laundromat right here. It's really nice. It's open 24 hours. So they have different sizes of machines here. So these are the dryer, 20 kilogram, 14 kilogram, 14. And then here's the coin. You can change the coins. And then up here you can get the soap. It's like I think 5 baht each. And then this side is all the washer. They got a super size, 27 kilogram, and then 14. And then down here is the small size, 9 kilogram. This is called the I Love Orange laundromat. This right here next to all the hotel and everything. So this is the price for all the washer. So 9 kilogram, 40 baht, 14, and then 27. So really cheap here. So you have time because a lot of people they retire here, so they live here. They do their own laundry here. So. At the other place, you drop off, they charge you by the kilogram, so 50 baht. Usually you just drop the clothes, they walk away for a few minutes and come back. So take about an hour, finish everything. So here's the dryer here. So 25 minutes for 40 baht, and the big one is 60 baht. So really cheap here. So, and then out here is all the hotel, everything out here. So down there is all the treetop market. They got all the market here at night, all the bar and clubs here. So they have hotel everywhere here. So you can have a barber shop here. You want to get your hair cut, and they have look like they have a motorbike rentals on this side. They got everything here. So you have a chance. You come here, just go there, get a laundry. I always come here for like an hour, get the washer and dry. And then when you have some free time, you can always walking around. They have the night market for a few minutes. This way is the Bùi Khảo market. So we're gonna walk down there in a few minutes. So welcome to the laundromat, orange laundromat in Pattaya, Thailand. So